Leader of Opposition and Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party leader Dr. Mukul Sangma has raised serious concerns over the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Amendment Bill, questioning the government's intentions and its potential impact on indigenous land ownership. He criticized the government's approach, cautioning against any legislation that may override the existing Land Transfer Act, which safeguards local ownership.
You have heard the members articulating this concern very eloquently, with concern and seriousness. You have to understand why this issue is being articulated in the August House during our submission with a quantum of seriousness and concern. Because you got to have the power of anticipation. If you do this, what is going to happen 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 50 years from now? So it is therefore our binding responsibility to see that we prevail upon friends amongst the responsible elected members, and good sense prevails in the larger interests of our people.
Assembly Deputy Speaker Timothy